Hello guys, today I felt like doing a lazy Saturday type beat. Let's start by sound designing the chords with Serum 2. Then we can choose the scale from the piano roll. We can play some chords using the MIDI keyboard. And now we have chords like this. Let's add some strings. Some minimal lead melodies. For example, drums like this. Fill the background with vinyl noise textures. Add a little high-end ear candy, for example like this. Most importantly, some 808s. A quick arrangement. And here we have our final lazy Saturday type beat.